aku Zina Aziz daripada TudungPeople. So hari ni kita nak tunjuk macam mana nak pakai tudung Nadra Swarovski. For your information, Nadra Swarovski is our instant shawl. So kenapa the instant shawl? Because it's an instant hijab that looks exactly like a shawl. So let me show you how to wear this. This is Nadra inner. So this inner kita buat besar sikit so that it can fit everybody's face. If it's a bit big for you, you can either wear it with a pin or you can just jahit. This inner using the same material as kita orang punya Nadra inners. So it's made from lycra cotton. It's stretchable. It's really thin, and it's super airy. And you don't have to, since you don't have to wear an inner, so dia sangat sesuai lah. Contoh kalau jenis yang senang dapat migraine kalau pakai tudung tebal, ataupun yang memang jenis tak suka pakai inner. So I think this is the shawl for you. First you wear an inner. You take the second loop and just wear it like this, and you're done. So this one, you can either put it dekat depan. So dah siap. So kalau nak for it to really hold in place, you just pin it on this side. Satu pun dah cukup. You see, it already comes with the drape. Yang belakang pun still cover. This new Nadra Swarovski comes with Swarovski crystals, and then the cutting dia is curved so that it creates that cascade effect here. Dia nampak, it make it very soft, and this material is chiffon, so it's very airy. And the best part, that is totally opaque, so you don't have to worry about you punya baju kat dalam. I really like this design because even though it's plain color, tapi it creates that kind of, dia nampak macam pakai shawl yang nampak sangat siap. So even though you're wearing very casual or you like to wear something very simple, I rasa this is the kind of shawl that can suit you as well. I am wearing Nadra in the color of Lollipop. So if you want to know more information, you want to see all the available colors, I already put the link down below. Thank you for watching.